Hey guys, welcome again to Future Expo YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do the video about video editing, how to edit a video. Today I'm going to talk about two video editing softwares. The first is it's just video editor. The name is video editor. If your operating system is Windows 10 or Windows 10 Pro, this will be enabled for you. Just go to the search bar and search video editor. This is the best matching app for you. Then if you don't know how to find your PC operating system, just go to this PC and right click and go to properties. This will yes, this is my operating system, Windows 10, and you can watch in here. I'm closing it and just go to here and I'm opening this. Then I'm going to add a new video project, and in here you will able to see your last previous video edits. If you edit before, click on it and then you will ask to your name. You can skip or you can just type a name like, what do I type? Just video. Okay, I'm okay in it. Then if you want to change the name, you can just go to here and you can change the name. Then how to add a file. This is the most easiest way you can add files. Just go to add, and from this PC you can, from my collection, from the web, you can anyway you can add files. I'm going to from this PC. It will like this and master. Okay, anyway I'm going to add files from, I'm going to add this file and this picture. Just you can select like this or just select like this, then click open. In here then you have to drag items from the project library here. This is the project library. Then place in storyboard, just you can click here or just you can drag and drop to it like this. And if your picture like this, if you have two black bars like this, you can just go to here and remove black bars, click it, then it will be nice. Then this is my subscribe and just you can play it. It's going to be like this. And how to edit it, I'm going to start with the picture. You can change the time, like this only one picture, not a video. You can change it 1 second. It will be like this, and then you can add a text like this. I'm going to Max Pro. Oh my gosh, like this you can see it in here, and you can change the font like this. if you want to change the location you using Joy, then you can layout, go to layout and click anyway. It's like this. I'm using this next row. In here you can see the motion, 3D effects and filter, and also in here you can change little bit like this, and when you move your project then it will be like this. Then let's go to the motion, go click done in here. Then when you play it will be like this, and you can go to the motion in here also. I'm going in here, it's like this. It's getting big like that. I'm using zoom out center, and let's go to 3D effects. Just you have to wait a moment. It's like this. Go to effects, and I'm using explore. You can change the scale, and also you can rotate it. It's like a 3D object. You can change the place. I'm just using here. I'm using here and just rotate. When you play it, it's like this, and you can hear the sound. You can add more and more any effects you like, and also you can change the volume like this. If you want to remove the effect, just click in here. I'm using explore. In here, then let's check out the filter. It's like this, and this is the original one. Then it's like this. If you don't want to put any of filter, just click on original. I'm using this. Then click done. Then this, I told about all of these, and how to add the music. It's the most important thing. Then just go to background music. You can add any of these. It's only you can put in these musics. It's, if you don't want to put any of these, just click none and click done. Then if you want to put a music from your MP3, just go to custom music, then click on add audio file, then go to music. You can add any of these files. I'm adding this. It will be like this. This is the, you can change the time period of the audio. It's like this. And also when you click in here, it's fade out, fade in, fade out. I'm choosing fade in and click done. If you want to remove anything, just click on it, then you can delete it like this. You can remove also. If you want to rotate something like this, you can do it like this. Then I talk about this all, and add this one, add title card. It's like this. You can change background color like this, and just go to here, and just you can show the video title on here and type in Max Pro, and I'm using this one to be like this, or you can use boom. Okay, anyway, click done, then we build it like this. That's everything you can edit from this video editor, and where you can click if you finish editing. Just sorry, I have tell you something, and in here video editing you can click trim. It's like this. Okay, I want to stop the video from here, then just go to here and it's get into here. When you click done, it will be like this. It's stopping in here. It's what this doing. Then click done. When you select this, there's a one steep speed. When you click it, you can, like in normal the pro video editors, there is a tool as card. It is same idea given from card. Click done, and this is there are two videos, then you can drag and drop to it. That is the almost all the tools we can edit in here. Then if you finish editing, just go to finish video and select hide and click and export. Then you can just select the location of where you have to export the video. Then I'm choosing desktop and I'm just exporting it. When you are in the exporting, it's auto playing the video. Here is your video you create, and video exporting issues, let's fix it. You don't want to click that, let's close it.